friends, I'm glad you can join me today. Today's topic is going to be how to clean your scalp when you have crochet braids, but the hair doesn't require you to wash it, or if you wash it, it'll be all tangled and matted and all that crazy stuff. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Well, I see you still here. I'm learning, girls and guys, how to pause this thing. Again, I'm new to the YouTube channel, so things will get better, but I'm just going to get right into the video because I don't want to hold you too long. What I'm using is, of course, everybody knows about apple cider vinegar. You only need a half a cup of apple cider vinegar and 2 cups of warm water. Now, I've already pre-mixed mine. Excuse the way I look because I had already started cleaning it. So I just wanted to demonstrate it for you. So I have it in a bowl, and as you can see, and I just take my towel, and I've already separated my scalp, separated my hair. It's not too tangly, but this is like the second week I've had this in, and I want to actually take it out because it was just so itchy. But I remember doing this before, and this actually works every time. Like, I can go another week as long as I clean my scalp. So here we go. I have a mirror, so if I'm not looking at you, it's because I'm looking in the mirror to make sure that I am doing a good job. Okay. And I love the fact that we have the braids, so you can get right in the crevice. Clean all around the edges. And it's really, really easy. You just dip it back in the water. Again, what you use right at home works, what you have in your cabinet works. Everyone have a clean towel. Everyone has a bowl. And everybody usually have some apple cider vinegar in their cabinet, for one reason or another. Who knew vinegar would be a great cleaner? I know that if you wash your hands, like say I'm from Louisiana again. I've said this to you before, but we love crawfish and fishing and all those great activities, outdoor activities. And my mom would have just a regular plain vinegar waiting for us to wash our hands when we're finished eating crawfish or scraping fish scales, because fish leave a strong smell, so I guess most seafood does. All I'm doing is getting all the back of my hair. I love the way that it's parted because it makes it so much easier to get to my scalp. So how you doing today? Hope everyone is good and that this video is helpful to you. But this hair was so much. She had installed it like almost 7 packs, and it was just, it was too much. So I cut it myself. I've never cut my own hair, braids, anything. I've just never cut it before. But this one, I was so angry that it was too big that I decided to just cut it. And when I finish, I'm just gonna cut all the whatever, what do you call it? Tatted ends. I'm just gonna cut all that off. And it really does a good job. It prevents my scalp from itching. I'm just getting it really good. Again, 1/2 cup of vinegar, apple cider vinegar that is, with the mother, and 2 cups of warm water. I'm trying to do this really quick. But this is how I clean my scalp. Someone asked me to make a video on this because I mentioned it in one of my videos, that I was going to keep my hair in one more week because I had cleaned my scalp. And this is how you do it. Okay, so I'm not gonna hold you any longer. I'm gonna continue to clean my scalp, cut off these ends, and come back and show you a finished product. Talk to you soon. Hey, I'm back. Feels good. Oh, and I don't know if I told you, but what the vinegar, the apple cider vinegar does is it cleans, you know how we have that buildup on our scalp? It cleans the buildup off of your scalp. Of course, you're gonna re-oil your scalp or whatever, but I'm not going to today because it feels good. It still itches just a little bit, but before the day is over, it'll stop. Trust me, I do this all the time. And how often do I do this? Once a month if I have crochet. And again, this is my third install. I used to do this when I had my braids, but just so I only do it the one time during the month because this is in for 4 weeks. This may not stay in for 4 weeks because I did cut it. I think it looks great. I can wear it on either side, put a little bit of color in there myself. And so let me just leave that alone because it's just not looking right because it's not styled. So anyway, I didn't ask the question. Did you take your iron? Remember I only had 2 left. Well, this is a new bottle. And so, and this is the hair that I have in my head. I'm not bragging on it because I don't like it that much. Or should I say, I don't like the way it was installed. It was too much hair, and it was 14 inches, which came down to here, and so it was just a lot of hair, and it wasn't shaped to my face or anything. Sometimes I think people, haters, they do things intentional to make you look bad, and that can even be your hairstylist. But we'll talk about that on another day, on another video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Again, this is your girl Show Enough. Oh, I didn't even say all the stuff about this hair. It's 4-in-1 crochet jerry curl, 14 inches. I have the 1B30. I don't know why I got into the short style. I usually like my hair very long, but I really like the short and kind of wild. So, if this video was at all helpful to you, or even you just liked it, like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.